share my video. God bless una. Share the video so that make people for know the kind work when I dey do. We have a lot of video in my YouTube, my Facebook that can save you, help you. So that is it. My name na Rita Rieta. If today na the first day when you see me, you are all welcome. So today I want to talk about love. That man when say he love you, sister. The man say he love you, but his family don't love you. How you feel about this matter? I never quick you marry the man. My sister, pack your load and go. Leave the man. Because time they come, his family go pollute his heart. If not be strong man, he go turn it back against you. I'm talking out of experience. May I go straight to the point? If you dey date man, his family no want you, and the man not do anything about am, just leave the man. If you never quick you born pikin put, I just advise you leave am. Because we women go say we go try our best. Say as far as say the man don't love me, his family, you no get time for a family. No level. Your husband people is very important. Because for future, if the man call them misbehave, marriage not easy. Your man must be misbehave. But if the man misbehave, not be mama you will go there, or his brother, or his sister. But if all those people not work on you, how you want to? Why they make our marriage get as they be for Europe? Mostly if husband mama dey Nigeria, then they feel say na the pikin. That is that the pikin wife won't they eat a pikin money, battle go start. So now make the hatred they come because of Europe money. Not because of anything, now make they know they like like the woman. Like me before I marry my husband. The picture already show. His brother when he bring her come, he carry her for Nigeria come. The first day when he hear say my baby father don't get woman like me, he just tell am direct say your mates they go carry woman when they give them money, you can go carry woman when I never strong. And that time I never strong. I just need to start my life. Even though I get the money, not be to pack give blah boy. So the level when senior brother be there, a brother want woman when go they give my baby father money, but that one can go carry woman when they have to go start for square one together. Battle can start. So that is it. Okay, now when we go they buy clothes for body and they enjoy, they feel say that their brother they give me money. So I feel say I go fit change these people. I not fit change them. And so my dear, if you not take time, if you not go for clear, you go come on for spiritual battle. So that is it. You as a lady, whenever quick you born, give that man. If his mama no like you, his sister, brother no like you, Komoto, go 5 years old for like you. There are billions or trillions of people in the world. Don't go and force yourself into one man's hand. Tomorrow now you go face the battle. The battle, you can never win them. Person when born pikin say he no want you. You cannot force yourself. When you go carry breast come out every day, they swear, you go they call a pikin name. You did them when they born the pikin. So that make we women, we have to be careful. If maybe you don't quick you marry the man, his mama not like you, no problem. The man need to do something about him fast. If the man prove say he love you, honey, I love you. You know, say na so our Nigerian men they talk. Most of them don't know what they call love. If he say he really love you, may he tell him mother say, mama, this my woman. If you not want some, me with you. No, if it be mama pikin. He go give his family real warning. The family must love you as a wife. But if the boy now, mommy boy, my dear, Mommy boy tomorrow he go say, my mother say he not like this woman. Now only 2 words the mama go dey tell her every time. This woman, I no welcome am. I want another woman. Before I go die, I wan see another woman born for you. One day the man go find another woman. Blood is thicker than water. Blood thicker than water. Him mama go confuse the heart for spiritual physical battle. The boy must listen to him mama. If na mommy boy, until you see am, you know say some boys love their mother well. And moreover, you cannot battle with your family. Family cannot like you, maybe because say they feel say maybe you dey eat their brother money. E happen to me. My own dem not come hide am. My own dem no hide am. They come meet me say na their brother money I take build house. Na their brother they give me money. For Europe for here. My baby father, his brother come my house. Although gbege me, he come gbege me, and this boy, I never see him once for eye. Only Nigeria now for the follow and talk. Before I hear say he enter abroad. When I hear say he enter abroad, me with another agree. For phone he dey do anyhow. I no get time. But one morning like this, he come my house, come gbege me. Come gbege me, say, who you think say you be? If na Nigeria for marry those one, they go pour me acid. So we see am before we enter. Me, I see everything before I enter that relationship. But I say I go change. I go change the man, boo. I say I go change the family, they will love me. No level, So I don't feel change them. So I use my own, they give people example. They give example with my own story. Don't fall into it. One day the boy will say, my mama don't like you. He go I pregnant woman for us. I go dey born for us. He happen to me, He happen to me. He get ask for outside, put wife and children. He go call honey. So tell the woman for outside go dey gbege am for outside for that side. Waje. He go go. He go say he no come as 3 good days, 1 week. He no come as. He go dey misbehave. And tribe, my dear, if your husband mama, that is your boyfriend mama, just dey complain say, ovi obo, or ovi yoba, or oviesan, tribe people, e just dey complain, and my sister, you never born put, comot o, where me born put, they are racist. They no want ovi obo, I be ovi obo. I never born pikin that time when they say, ovi obo when ya mua, ovi obo. Eni ema, makamu ovi obo ne, ya wicked, ya zibagbe. You dey see wetin they take mark my enemy. Iyaro. They say Iyaro. So that is it. Tribe. They one person, they don't want their Benin woman. This one a Benin woman. We go they speak the same language with us. This one our people. Me I be data Benin, not the same before. I been a lie. But forget when he read, they look me and say I be another person. Oye no be so Benin they talk. Oye uyamu jowa. Oye my own who Amegwaze do, you have a move. How much more? Just be strong. As a woman, if you want put head for, say, a first relationship, if you're not strong for future, you go know what you cost yourself. If husband people don't just like you, just come on, just see that boy say, he too dey close to him mama. Wetin mama tell and I dey follow. And now I dey deceive you say he love you. But he no fit make him mama calm. Run. Tell am say if you know say you love me, find solution to this your family problem when they disturb me. You see how this one, if I see my husband mama, man when me born 3 children from, If I see Mama, I don't know am. I don't know am, but he dey fight me oh. He battle me. He battle with me. Agbona kan ohia me. Na family, all of them. Rita. I don't know them. Na only few I know for inside though. The one wey no know me, the one wey know me, Ori Obo. Na so they take push their pikin put for another place. I no wan talk all those one. So that is it. As I dey so now, I dey use my own dey advise people. If they no welcome you, no go. Tell the man make find solution put. Ask the man, maybe you just go meet the man family the first time. They just do anyhow. The man just attack a family. Say, this one is my woman. You understand? So if he attack them well, you go know say yes, they go like you. They no get choice again. But if they attack you, the man just there, they do mute. No level. That marriage, you will miss it in future. So my name na Rita Arieta. So me, I born girl, I born boy. You have a deal with him, When they'll say, if you don't get picky, you don't get boy picky, I get all of them. Oh. But since they don't welcome me there, forget to no level. So I will umai swen on beer, umai beer more. You never born, no. Start to go marry again, may you born. What if black boy go do? He go cut the eye, they born for outside. I know go come as next week. Oh. This and this. Oh. So my video not to advise people. My Facebook not to encourage people. I love all of them. My name is Rita. Bye bye. Ciao.